to the post-game press conference after a close ball game between the Bolts and the Tropang Giga. TNT remained victorious, and we are joined by our winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, Calvin Oftana. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chot, we saw that Meralco resurgence late in the fourth quarter. How would you articulate the way your players handled the situation and made sure to keep the Bolts at bay, especially your vets keeping the entire team's composure in crucial moments?
I would say that when they cut it down to 3 points or 2 points there. We called the timeout. It was a very calm huddle. We knew that they were going to come back. We had no pretensions. We had no illusions that it was going to be easy by any means. So we just reminded everyone in the timeout. We said that, okay, they're making their run. Now let's focus and just get what we need to do. Let's sure that we're able to do what we need to get done. And that's all. In the end, the players took it upon themselves to make the necessary stops. I thought we got great contributions defensively from Kelly Williams off the bench. I thought he was big. We knew Alan Durham was going to go out and attack us after his so-so performance in our first game against them. So it was important that we had Kelly to be a secondary defender tonight. So that was it.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Calvin, kanina nakita natin kung paano challenge ng Meralco si Ronde. And when your import was limited, isa ka sa mga nag-step up and took over the offensive load. I-share mo naman sa amin paano mo nagawa ito successfully together with the help ng mga other locals nyo like si Kelly Williams who's finally back and of course si Jason Castro din.
Siguro just being consistent na lang sa mga ginagawa ko. I've been doing that in the practice naman. So I just need to deliver it in the game. Ronde, alam namin si Ronde paano siya maglaro. And just being free sa 3 points, doon ako nalilibre. Pasahan naman nila ako eh. Being unselfish sa loob ng court, I take advantage of that.